The Zahlen numbers. Before proceeding further, I want to add 4 alphabets which I have missed in my previous video. So these are the 4 alphabets. A umlaut, umlaut is the 2 dots. They are the 2 dots, umlaut. A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, and it's a doppel S. Doppel S is double S. It's a S, S. Doppel S is S. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, zehn. Let's start again. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, zehn. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's start again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last 20. Now here we have some twist. Now that in English we write the way we are pronounced. Like 21 is like 21. We write 20, then we write 1. But in German we write vice versa. Like 21 is like 21. Like we will write 1 first, then we will write 2. Like 1 is ein in German and 2 is 20. 20 is 20. 21 it's ein. Ein is 1 und is and. Then 20, 20 is 20. So it is 21. 20 is 20, 1 is ein. So it is 21. For example, 22, it's 22. We will write 2 first, then we will write again 20. Next we have 23, we will write 3 first. 3 und 20. If we have to write in English 23, we will write 20 first, then 3 first. But in German we will write vice versa, right? We will write 3 first, then we will write 2, like 3. 3 is 3 in German. 3 und 20. Again we have 4 und 20. 5 und 20. 5 is 5. 5. 5 und 20. Then we have 26. 6 und 20. 6 is 6 in German. So 6 und 20. 27, 7 und 20. 7 is 7. So 7 und 20. 28, 8 und 20. 8, 8. 8 und 20. 29, 9 und 20. Then 30 is 30. We have 6. 3 is 30. 3, 30. So again we will start 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 27, 28, 29, 30. And one thing more, I have write this in a segregate form, like I have segregate this whole word. You don't have to segregate this word, you have to write ein und 20, these 3 words in a together form. I have segregate these words to make you understand, so that you can understand more better. So you have to write these all thing in a together form, like ein und 20. You don't have to make a gap in between these, these space. So you have to write all this in a same line. Okay, 20 is 20, 30 is 30, 40 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. The way I have written 100 in a together form, you have to write all these numbers in a together form only. You don't have to make a space in between, like 100. You don't have to make a space in between. But still 100 we are writing in a vice versa form, like 21 we are writing ein und 20, right? But after 100 we will write in the same way, like 101 is 101, then 102, 103, 103 is 103, 104 is 104, then we have 200, 200 is 200, 300 is 300, 400 is 400, and we have like 200, 300, 400, and then at last we have 1000. This is a 1000. You have to write in a small form all these numbers in this way only. I have written all the numbers in a capital form, and I have segregated them because I have to make them you understand in a better way. That's why I have written in a capital letters. So you have to write the numbers in a small letters. Again we will do 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101, 200, 1000. Now it's a Wiederholung. Wiederholung is a short type of revision. Whatever we have learned till now, we will do the repetition, revision. Now I'll write my age here. Oops, it's my age, 26. So 26 in German language, 26 is it's in a English language. So in German language it's 76. We will write 6 first, then we will write 20. Then again we have 73. We will write 3 first, then we will write 7, like 73. Again we have 45. We will write 5, then we will write 4. 45. Again we have, okay, it's 165. Till 100 I have told you have to vice versa the numbers, like you have to write the end number first, then you have to write the initial number. 65, forget about 1, you just have to write 65 first. How will you write 65? It's you have to pick up end word first, like 5, then you have to pick up the initial word. It's 60. 65. Now 100, it's 100, 65, like 165. So you have to remember this thing very very nicely, and that thing you can do with revision only. Again we have 345. It's 345. How will you write? First you have to write 45. How will you write 45? The end word first, then the initial one. 5 is 5. It's 45, then 345. But before we end this video, you all have to comment me below your age. First you have to write in a mathematical term, then you have to write in a German form. Then I'll tell you if you have written correct or incorrect form. Till that, auf Wiedersehen. See you soon. Bye bye.